peach salsa chicken wrap. Yeah, stay tuned and I'll show you how to make it. Yeah. On the Z grill. And the seasoning we're using is Lilo's Homemade Salsa. I will leave a link to how you can connect to them down below. So we're using the Z grill. This is gonna be the very first time I cook on this Z grill. I built it yesterday. I've had the chicken tenders in the peach salsa for 24 hours. We're gonna get this goodness going and I'll show you how I will create these wraps. Hey folks, it's Papa Texas, and this is another edition of Papa's Kitchen. Yeah, the Big W made me that. His link's down below too. Alright, so real quick, this right here, I normally put this on the grill. See that? For things like this, or shrimp or anything, so they don't fall through the grill. And so I want to put this on the Z grill. But the thing about it is, you can't see it right now. Z grill's got a flat plate under there, so I got to do a little bit of different cook. So I went out in the garage and I found this. Okay, well I found 50 of these. I don't know how I did that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stick that on there like that, so that there's a gap. So I'm gonna put the chicken tenders with the peach salsa on top of it, and of course the liquid's gonna drain down, but it's not gonna go into the Z grill. And then I think I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit, and then what I'm gonna do is I'll pull this off, pull this off, pull this out with the liquid in it. By that time this is dripped, and then I'm gonna set this down on the grill, and then we'll be cooking. All right, so there it is sitting in there. We're gonna pour this. Oh my goodness, peach salsa chicken. That smells awesome. I hope y'all can see this. Actually, not as much. Well, yeah, it fell down. Awesome. Awesome. So now what I want to do, just kind of like spread it around. I'm trying to hurry because this thing really loses heat fast when we leave it open. But these babies have been soaking in this peach. Actually, I think what I should have done, and now that I'm thinking about it, I should have pulled these out of the bag, put them on here, and then poured the rest of the peach salsa on top of it. So I'm gonna do this real quick. I'm gonna pour, this is not Lilo's, but it's all I have. I needed 2 jars of Lilo's to be doing this. So get your 2 jars. I'm pouring this on top because a lot of the fluid went down. I'm gonna let that goodness just bake into it. Alright, because I put that cold on there, I'll be back in 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, let's check it out. It's been another 8 minutes. This right here is a smart row. So when you open it, it automatically comes on, and it actually turns whichever direction you're holding it. This sucker is awesome. So right here, we're just gonna poke in here and see what we got. 109. Woo! 122, of course it's closer to that. Check this one. 125, 126, 123. I tell you what, this smart row is awesome. I will leave a link. It'll say smart row down below, and you can get you one of these. I think they're $29. Also, Papa Texas has a Papa Texas Amazon store. I'm affiliate, doesn't cost you a dime. But you can go to my affiliate store and look at all the items that I use most of the items that I use in my videos, and you can purchase them. I get like a couple dollars off of it, but it costs you the same. That's right. All right, so now we're at the point, I don't know, do I want to put it on the grill yet? I think what I'm going to do at this point is I'm just going to flip the chicken. If you need to see how to flip chicken, there's how you flip chicken. So I'm going to flip the chicken for another couple minutes, and then I'm going to pull them off of this. I'm going to put them straight on the grill. All right, the Z grill, right on the rack, and let them do their thing, because that's what they're going to do. I'll come back after I flip these, wait a couple minutes, and we're going to put them right on the rack. Yeah. All right, now we're at the time. We're going to take this chicken off. This sucker just barely fits in there. And we're going to throw it on the grill grates themselves. I'm turning them over where most of the salsa's on. Guess y'all can see that. I'm getting hungry, man. We need to hurry. It takes longer to cook when you're making a video of it. So now we're just going to let it just kind of finish itself out. Check it out. About 130, 123. We're trying to get up to 165. What I'll do is I'm going to come over here. These are going to heat up first, and we'll come over here. I'll switch them out, and I'll pull them off, and probably the next thing you see, we're going to plate up some goodness. We're going to plate up some goodness. I'll show you how I do that. Be right back. A tortilla, some chicken, some coleslaw, and some cheese. Look at the goodness. Peach salsa chicken wrap. Yeah. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to make it. Yeah. I heard a crunch in there. Wow. It's really good.